Hey guys, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing before you leave. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Happy New Year to you guys. Last week I did not put up a plan with me video, but I do have what my spread looked like for last week, the last week of December. So I am recording this on January 1st. And this was my spread for last week. I did a vertical spread. This was my spread for last week, and I didn't have my planner set up for this week because I typically always use the last week in my planner so I can give myself more time to, be able to set up my planners and everything. So, but today I wanted to go ahead and set up my 2021 planners. Some of them will be easy and I just have to do like one thing to it. But some of them are going to be FRANKENPLAN. So if you are new to the planner community, FRANKENPLANNING is when you take parts of different planners to make a planner, basically to make one planner. So with this one, this is going to be my everyday catch-all planner. It's horizontal, it's classic size, it's beautiful. So this is going to be my everyday planner. So I think I'm going to take this cover off and use this cover for my fitness planner. I believe so. And with my planners, I like to keep one of the snap-on covers on the back to make it sturdy, because this is what the planners are like when you don't have, anything on it. It's kind of flimsy. I'm not a fan of that, so I like to do that. But keep the snap cover on the front off so I can see my pretty cover, because usually the cover is what sells me on the planner and the layout. So I went on the Happy Planner and bought me some new snap covers, and I'm gonna have to make my own fitness planner, because this is what I've learned. If you're gonna get the planner you want, you have to get it in September when the new releases drop, or you're just gonna you won't have a lot of options, in my opinion. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this snap cover on the back to make this one sturdy. So that one is pretty much ready to go. That one is ready to go. I just don't have my name in it yet. So this is going to be my catch-all. It's horizontal. So next in my lineup is going to be this lettering planner here. I got this for Christmas, actually. I wasn't going to get this, but then I saw, according to Allie, do some posts about it, and I was like, yeah, I've always wanted to be really good at hand lettering, so I went ahead and asked for this for Christmas. So it's so pretty. I haven't explored this at all yet. Taking all that out, seeing what we got going on. And this is my first like big anything. I usually always get classic or minis, but this is gonna be perfect for practicing hand lettering. Super excited about that. So I did buy a deluxe cover for this, for the back of it. Sometimes these snap covers are a pain to put on. So this is my lettering planner here. Let's move on to social media. So this is going to be my social media planner, and this is going to be the first planner that you see me FRANKENPLAN with. So I told you with FRANKENPLAN, you take parts from different planners to make it work for you. And I already know I'm not a big fan of the dashboard layout, but I'm not gonna throw everything away because some weeks I might want to use it. So, but I love how practical the teacher layout is. Now I'm gonna have to, use a lot of whiteout and stuff every week to set it up, but that's totally fine. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in here and go ahead and start taking out these sections and placing them to the side. And I'm gonna start to put these sections in here. So this is what it's gonna look like here. And I'm gonna start on January 4th, and I'll have like YouTube, Instagram, you know, in different categories over here, and then the days of the week up here. So this will be my social media planner. All right, so this one has been FRANKENPLANNed. I took all of the dashboard stuff out of here, and I'm not gonna toss it because I do need to create a fitness planner, and we'll see how it goes, because that one will definitely be like all the way FRANKENPLANNed. So this one was just like taking out the layout. This one wasn't that complicated, but yeah, so it worked out. Yeah. So this side will say the name of the month, but this side I have to add numbers and stuff. So I'll have to definitely, you know, redo some things, but that's not gonna be hard. That's not gonna be that hard. I can do this. So with the currently pages, you guys know, like towards the end of 2020, I started to decorate my currentlies a lot more. And so the currently page is attached to, you know, like the previous week or whatever. So this one has like student birthdays, and it has like the apple and all this stuff that's related to teaching, but that's going to be easy to you know, white out or put stickers over it, and you know, customize it to what this planner is about. So this will be my social media planner, and I'll try to do content, you know, of me decorating it frequently this year. So social media planner is done. So I signed up for a like fitness wellness class online. It's gonna be for keto, and I'm gonna try to do keto vegan. Yeah, so we're gonna try to set up a fitness planner. So I bought this one in 2020 for its parts and everything. I think these dashboards are so pretty, so I think I might use those. Let me get that situated and I'll come back to you guys. So I'm putting this cover back on my 2020 planner because I think I want to use this one for my fitness planner. I love this cover so much. And since I'm not using this planner but for another like 2 days or so, I'm going to go ahead and take off my deluxe cover, and we'll get started with figuring out how I want this to be. So this cover looks like that. I'm trying to see. I might want gold rings, or should I do purple? I'm gonna go with gold. So I'm gonna fast forward this part. All right, we got that together. So now FRANKENPLANNING is more complicated. You're gonna have to, you know, be creative and stuff, but it's fine. I'm not really worried. And I've always wanted to use these dashboards. Since last year, I didn't really have a use for this planner, but I would take parts of it some days and use it in my catch-all. This is perfect. And I'll redate these, so I'll be able to do, you know, monthly spreads. I probably won't do one for January. I don't know if I will, but we'll see. Okay, for some reason I didn't have a dashboard for, oh my gosh, for September or December for, you know, this one. So I took this dashboard from my social media planner from 2019. I mean, I'm not using it anymore, and that's how you can repurpose, you know, stuff to be more resourceful. So I'm just gonna glue this with, you know, the pages for this month. So is that gonna work? Yeah, that'll still work. I'll just have to completely redo this. That's okay. Totally fine. We'll see how this ends with the December, since December is missing. Okay, October. December. I mean, this one is November. The color schemes actually match for this. This was my 2019 social media planner, so I need to take the dashboard out of here and use it. I didn't used to decorate like my currently section. That's so crazy. I can even go back and use this for some months if I want to. If you've been planning for a while, or you're somebody who, you know, you bought your planner like right now and it's not a lot to choose from, you can buy old planners and just redate them. It's going to be a lot more work, but it's definitely going to be more custom. So if you're somebody who's up for a project, I would, you know, encourage that too. So here's December. We are almost done. That's all right. All right, guys, so you saw me, you know, put all of my planners for 2021 together. Now, if you watched my haul video from September when Happy Planner releases their stuff for the coming year, I did buy this planner, and it's a mini, is it a horizontal? A mini horizontal. I don't have a use for this, so I'm not gonna include this in my lineup just yet. It's so cute. I really wish they had this cover, this inside cover on the big one, because I would definitely flip this, you know, inside out and use that. But so here we have my catch-all planner here. Catch-all, and it is horizontal. Catch-all is going to be horizontal. I didn't have to do anything to this. This one was perfect right out the gate. Here is my social media planner here. I did have to FRANKENPLAN it, and it worked out. I'm going to have to, you know, redate it quite a bit throughout the year, but it's going to be fine. I've already ordered a lot of different numbers and stuff like that. So that is going to be my social media planner. This is going to be my wellness fitness planner. And I had to FRANKENPLAN this one quite a bit, but it worked out. It's gonna be great. Yeah, I can just write down like what I'm eating and exercising and all that kind of stuff. I'll cover some of this stuff over here because I don't really have to worry about calls and stuff for a fitness planner. And then I have my love letters planner so I can practice on my hand lettering this year. Oh my gosh, I really hope I stick with this and it turns out great. So this is what we have going on for 2021. Sometimes this changes. It changes really every year. What usually happens is I have multiple planners, and then throughout the year I end up just using one. So if I fall back and, you know, don't use all of these, I'll for sure use these two, because I'm gonna use, this is catch-all, so I have to use this every day. And then social media is my job, so I'll probably use this every day as well. So hopefully I use all four, and that will mean more content for me if I'm consistent with all four of these. So tell me down below, how many planners are you using? Did you have to FRANKENPLAN? What are your plans for everything in 2021? Tell me down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and turn on your notifications so you're notified every time we do another upload. And make sure to show me some love in the comments and talk to me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.